Where's that at? In Kentucky. Have you ever been? Are you excited? Are you excited? Oh yeah. We're gonna have a really good time. We're going down tonight. It's like 8 o'clock. I had to work till 7:30. And we're gonna get there about 12:30-ish. Set up camp real quick. And then wake up in the morning. Sean's cooking breakfast. And he gets up super early anyways. He gets up at like 3:30 for work. So he told me, he's like, I'm gonna get up at like 4 and cook breakfast for you guys and get everybody up at 6. I'm like, no, you're not, because I don't normally wake up till 9. So I'm like, nope. But that's why he's cooking breakfast, because he's already an early person. We just wanted to let everybody know that we are en route to Wildcat. Got about a 4-hour trip ahead of us. We're meeting up with members of 530 at Crew Offroad down in Whiteland. Yep, that's where we're going. But we're en route, and we'll keep y'all posted. Made it to Wildcat. It is 1:27. Setting up tents. Got the buggies out. Lindsay wanted to be on the trailer. And got Nate, he's down here. Austin's setting up camp over there. Sean's behind there. And we're back here, way out by ourselves. We're gonna have a good weekend. Sean, you ready to have fun?
I'm ready to go.
He's ready to go wheeling right now. Here trying to find out where the hell we are at nighttime.
Does anyone know how to get back?
Show us, Nate.
Last time we were here, it's all up there, but all that red.
We're red.
But the good right, and there's some pretty decent stuff over here, but it's mostly over here, across the street. That's where like
way back in there when we did that trail, that was fun.
Yeah, that was fun. And then when we went to the railroad track,
the railroad tracks, we were have to hit up tomorrow.
Next thing.
had breakfast, we're ready to go.
We got Logan lead. He's got the tablet.
I don't care. Fuck it. Lindsay don't want to lead. We can lead for a little bit. It's all right. Sun's out, guns out. We're ready to party. We're gonna have a good day. We did some night riding last night. It was pretty fun. Got in at like 1 o'clock and then set up camp. Then, yeah, I'm done. Then we went wheeling. Came back at 3, hit the bed by 3:30 and up by 7. Made breakfast and now we're about to hit the trails at 10:15. All right, have a good day.
WC Lost Boat, 195 feet. WC Lost Boat, 131 feet. WC Lost Boat, 127 feet. WC Lost Boat, 77 feet.
He must have played fucking games. He played fucking
Got all
games.
muddy?
That's why I put my windshield up. He sprayed me like 5 times, and I was like,
I didn't mean to.
I know. I was like, I like that stubby white whip he's got. How big it is.
The little 2-footer.
I like that.
Go drive the boat, Nate.
I already got a picture driving on.
Hey, go drive the boat. Yeah, I should tell her to take this.
Do what?
Hey, don't you need to go sleep up front?
Take a little dirt nap.
Hey, look at that rattlesnake.
Uh-uh.
I'm kidding.
Comes that sand rail I seen earlier.
made it to the waterfall. Grand old Waterfall Wildcat.
There's a badass road, Don.
So that orange buggy over there, we actually met up with at Haspin like a month ago, and he just met up with us because he said he just drove down here. I think he's from Ohio or something.
Yeah, Ohio.
And then we seen him come around over there, and Nate's like, "Look at that Turbo S, looks pretty sweet." I'm like, "Nate, that looks exactly like the orange one we rode with a month ago." And he goes, "No." And he goes, "That is the guy." So we just met up with him and talked with him for a while. We got prime parking here. Then so I
Yeah,
could
it just
key
got
off
wet.
and
It's
on.
fine.
It's
If you
just
still got,
called shit got really goddamn wet.
yeah, if you still got power steering, it's fine. It just got wet.
I'm ready to go again. I mean, I'm ready to go in there.
I'm
No,
not ready to
because
go
then we'll
back.
be towing you all the way back.
Yeah.
We are really far from where we're supposed to be.
Trust.
I told you so.
You gotta have fun.
Hey, you need to just go. Woosah.
I will be fine, but I'm
I need a
telling you,
beer.
your ass is not going through any more water. In
But
here.
we have to go through some water.
Not that deep, and he's
Well,
not going to be the
I
first
didn't
one to
do
go
my
through.
normal routine of creeping up to it and go down and say no. I just said, fuck it, go. That's when I messed up.
Yeah, you pulled an Austin.
I did pull an Austin.
Said, fuck it.
I think that's called fun.
I mean, that's part of wheeling.
I would say.
I mean, either you're
Hey,
gonna
I
get
can't
through
tell
it,
you how many times that I've went through a hole like that going, God damn it, I should have done that, but goddamn it was a lot of fun.
I wish my four-wheel drive was working. It didn't.
No
I
tires
come
were
around
working.
The corner and I don't see your front wheels moving. I was like, I don't even think
Your
he's in
belt was
four-wheel
just
drive.
smoked. We probably got to put a belt on it.
That's a
Front Polaris belt, man. That's all you need.
Oh, I got water in here. All the water came in through there.
Yeah.
So that bell ain't junk.
But just go slow, and it'll dry itself out. It'll probably be all right. Because it wasn't smoking. I didn't see any smoke coming out of there.
Not smoking, I didn't smell it. It was just slipping.
You need to hydrate, because the urine I seen come out of you earlier is still fucking bothering me. I ain't
telling
never seen urine come out of a human being as what I
dude.
seen
No,
come
you
out
should
of
have
him.
seen it this morning. Like,
Is it as yellow as his glasses?
It was green. It wasn't yellow, it was fucking green. Have you ever seen green fucking urine?
Not many times.
No, it can't be good.
I did get that on video.
you did?
I didn't think I did.
Let's go.
That's deep.
Hey, dude, this dude's crazy. Hey, you mud bogging thing, I'm gonna kill you. You better back the fuck up. Don't think I can make it? Back the fuck up. Hey.
Geez, that's a big hole. Yeah. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Cheers!
Cheers. Oh gosh.
Keep chugging. Chug, 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 chug. Put it up. There we go.
I can't do all this. Oh gosh.
Come on. Why do you make such a big hole? Like half a can in my mouth. It makes it go down quicker. Well, Lindsay, keep finishing it.
I will.
Where's Sean's buggy when we need to put them somewhere?
Oh, there it is. It's up there.
Don't think just drink. Don't think just drink. I tried so hard.
What are you doing? You can't sit. Don't think, just drink. Don't think, just drink. She's a spinner.
You're good,
You gotta finish it.
babe.
She's got it. Don't think, just drink. Don't think, just drink. I think it's funny she's chugging a hydrogen.
Yeah, that's rough.
Drinking a regular beer. Say
That is
no.
rough.
Good job,
That
team.
didn't go well.
Shit, yeah, okay. That was a good video. Let's watch that video.